We're going to try this. I'm Phil, and this is my 5-string bass that I made, and I'm running it through this Behringer head, and I got a little EQ on it, but just to give you an idea what this sounds like, here's the open strings. Love that low B. Alright, and that was on the neck pickup. Here's both pickups. Here's the bridge pickup. Brighter. Now, one thing with this amp, it's got a built-in harmonizer that I can take it down. I don't know if that's picking it up. And then it has a distortion channel. Back to a clean sound. Anyway, little sample of it. I'm still working on it. I'm not used to a 5-string, but I'll post a little bit more once I get more comfortable with it. Later on, guys.